What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to use Revolut Rev points. So in this case, you might be wondering how do you exactly use Revolut Rev points here. So there are going to be some use cases that you could use Rev points. So in this case, starting or last September 23rd, 2023, Revolut moved from cashback system to Rev points, which are a form of their own currency. So instead of earning cashback in a fiat currency like euro, pound, or dollars, users can now use Rev points. Now, in this case, how do you exactly redeem those? So one of the redemption option here is you could actually use this on various rewards. So that includes, like, for example, this is directly from their website. So let's go and go to their website here for Rev points. So you could actually use this for airline miles. So you can transfer your points to frequent flyer programs. And you could also use this for online shopping discounts. So you could get discounts on purchases with participating retailers. And also you could use this for Revolut stays and experiences. So you could use your points for discounts on hotels and travel related experiences through the Revolut platform. Now, also, if you're interested in booking stays or experience, you can earn double points for those purchases. However, to use your points for payments, you typically need to have a minimum of 1,000 points. And also, you can exchange your points for airline miles, well, several partner airlines, making it a good option for travelers who are loyal to specific carriers. Now, in this case, those are the usual use cases here for Rev points here. So you could use, again, you could use this for airline miles or online shopping or Revolut stays. But another thing you need to take into account here is if that store or in this case that entity is actually participating with Revolut. So if they support Revolut points here, if you can earn or in this case use your Rev points. Also, you might be wondering here if Revolut points and have any expiration. So as of right now, it is not clear yet if they have any expirations for Revolut points. But if you can, go ahead and just use them. So if you have enough points, I recommend you start using them. So either for frequent flyer points or in whatever method I actually mentioned before. So those are the ways that you could spend or use your Revolut points here, and that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.